how to find story draft on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on this plus button right here. And then we just have to scroll and see the story. So the key thing here is to click on this camera roll right here. And as you can see, the option of draft is right here. All you have to do is to tap on that, and you will be able to see the draft that you have right now. If I click on one of the drafts like this one, it's as if I have continued to edit this draft. So I can still add text to it, add stickers, walls, locations. I can also mention somebody or add a filter to it. I can add music if I want to. And you can also add this to your story by just sharing it. The thing is, story draft is limited and will be permanently deleted after 7 days. After 7 days, you won't be able to access the draft that you had, and you won't be able to edit it again. So that's how to find story drafts on Instagram.